Quick scenario. You created an NFT on Saucery, but you made a mistake with the edition type or supply cap. Or maybe you just want it off the marketplace for now. Here's the solution. Hide it. In this video, I'll show you how to hide and unhide your NFT on Saucery. Let's go. You can hide any NFT you've created, but only if it hasn't been minted yet. What does that mean? If nobody has bought it, you can hide it. Once someone buys it, it's minted on-chain and you can't hide it anymore. So, if you made a mistake with the edition type or you want to start fresh with the correct details, here's what you do. Step 1. Go to Saucery and connect your wallet. Open Saucery.art. Click Connect Wallet. Approve in Phantom. You're in. Step 2. Click on My Creations. At the top of the page, click the drop-down menu and select My Creations. You'll see all your artworks. Step 3. Find the artwork you want to remove from the marketplace. You'll see buttons underneath it. Click the Hide button. Done. Your artwork is now hidden. It's no longer visible on the Saucery marketplace, but it's not deleted. It's still in your creations, just hidden. And remember, there are no transactions. It's instant and free. What if you want to unhide an artwork later? Same process. Go back to My Creations, find the hidden artwork, and click Unhide. It'll be back on the marketplace immediately. That's it. Hiding artworks on Saucery is super simple. Use this if you made a mistake, if you want to create a better version, or if you just need to remove something temporarily. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.